Hi guys, it's Amanda. What's up? This is the start of my LA vlog. The fact that those words just came out of my mouth is unbelievable. I'm so excited. And okay, I leave for LA in 2 days. Not tomorrow, but the day after, Wednesday morning. This is such a spontaneous trip. I just need to give like a little bit of context because I finished school officially 4 days ago and I've just spent the weekend vibing with my friends. So no thought has really gone into this LA trip. Not that much thought has to go into it. Like I'm really just going with no expectations with my bestie Anika. The only preparation I need to do for this trip is styling my outfits for the week that I'm there because I'm really gonna try and get away with just bringing a carry-on. After my LA trip, I'm then going to Florida. Like I get back 2 days later and go to Florida. And for that trip, I'm gonna be doing a giant suitcase because I'm gonna be in Florida for almost a month, which is also unbelievable. This is really my year of travel and this LA trip kicks off that travel. So that's why I'm kind of like stunned at the fact that it's already here because I'm just done school, I'm a graduate, and now I'm about to start on all of my trips that I have planned, which I will be bringing you guys along for. Like this is gonna be such a fun summer. I've really been trying to get into the habit of vlogging so that when this traveling starts, I'm just like, you know, second nature. It's just easy to do. I'm really excited and I honestly am just going to LA with the most open mind, ready to catch any available vibe. That's what me and Anika are on. We're not really planning anything. Like another thing I have to do before I go is just make a list of some things that I kind of want to do while I'm there, just because both of us are very like, let's just see where it takes us. I'm about to go thrifting. I'm gonna film an intro for that video after I'm done this vlog moment because I really owe you guys to come thrift with me. It's been so long and it's just because I've been so busy with school, but now we're back. Also, I feel like I'll just show you. Should I show it in this video? I'll do a really quick haul in this video. I actually went to Value Village last weekend. I went really quickly just because I actually need clothes and heels for LA and for Florida. So I picked up these Aldo perfect gold heels, size 8. Like, are you kidding me? They're made for me and they're so secure on your foot. Like this is holding your foot in place and then this comes forward, this comes backwards. Like they're actually perfect. I used to have gold heels that I thrifted, but they're done now. And yeah, these are just like actually so comfortable and I really don't own any heels. I own one pair of kitten heels that are pointed toe and very formal. And then I actually got a pair of silver heels too, which are almost better just because the height is even more wearable. Like, excuse me. They're from the brand Fioni. I picked up this incredible Roxy bathing suit, like actually incredible. I just saw the colors on the rack and I was drawn to it. And then sure enough, it's Roxy. These huge O-rings with the pink enamel is so beautiful. And the top is like a proper size for me, like amazing. Imagine this with the gold heels, like it's too much, you know? And then the last thing I got was just this little yellow t-shirt by the brand Everlast. I just thought it was a cute basic to just have, like honestly to just throw on. I don't really have that many baby tees. I'm gonna end this clip here and film my intro for my Come Thrift With Me, which I will link in the cards. After filming my haul, this is the current state of my bed. We're just gonna run with it. I always start with a bottom or a top and then whatever comes to mind, I just pop right on my bed on top of it, build an outfit, and then once I have one that's totally built, I'm gonna try it on. So we're gonna start with my Rockaware jorts, which I actually do have to fix before going away because this is ripped. It's already been fixed, but it's ripped more. These are my favorite shorts ever. Like I need my brother to make me a pair in this exact pattern because I've never had shorts fit me so well. The first thing I'm thinking is this lace long sleeve. I thrifted these a while ago. They don't fit me, so I've not worn them. I am actually gonna post them on Depop. I've just been holding off because I don't want to sell these. Like they're perfect. But honestly, if these fit me, this would be the vibe. Do you know what I mean? Okay, before we get into styling all the outfits, I want to share all of the jewelry pieces that I brought with me on my trip to LA. I want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring this portion of the video. I've spoken about Ana Luisa before. You guys probably know by now how much I love them. I've put all my friends onto Ana Luisa. I'm not joking. Specifically onto these chunky silver hoops. I'm normally so loyal to my massive thin hoops, but during the summer and just being on the go, sometimes it's too much. So I've kind of been opting for this smaller, chunky style. The way that I only wear hoop earrings, like I love the look of diamond studs, but every time I wear them, I just don't feel like myself. I don't know why that is, but because of that, I picked up some other hoops instead. I picked up these adorable little chunky hoops. These are so cute, and again, perfect for every day. All the hoops I received from Ana Luisa are so comfortable. I wore these in the ocean yesterday and totally forgot they were even in. Luckily, I did not lose them because I actually would have cried. I also picked up these thinner, kind of medium-sized hoops. And then, oh my God, the way that I have not talked about this yet, I've been wanting a perfect A necklace for so long. It's so dainty, and there's 2 length options. So I have on the shorter one right now. It kind of hits right at my collarbone. I'm definitely at the point where I'm confident in the fact that I am a silver jewelry girl. So it's not usually a question unless it's summer and I'm like, let me just incorporate a little bit of gold into my jewelry. But normally I just go for silver. So I picked up these 2 silver bracelets. I love pairing a really dainty bracelet with a chunkier one. So this is like a faux watch band and it clasps so seamlessly. And then this very dainty bracelet with a little heart on the end. Ana Luisa has some really affordable pieces starting at $39, and then they go up to really nice gemstone pieces as well. So there's literally something for everyone. And all the pieces that I've gotten from Ana Luisa have lasted so well. They're all in pristine condition. And to me, it's so important because I will not wear something if it tarnishes. Like if I have to take it off when I'm washing my hands, I'm gonna lose it. So I'm not gonna buy it, I'm not gonna wear it, you know? And Ana Luisa also offers a 2-year warranty if you're not satisfied with the way that the pieces are lasting. You can use my code AmandaSimmons20. I'll leave it below along with the link to shop Ana Luisa. Okay, now let's get back into the LA vlog.
Hey yo, I'm teed up, throwing funny bones in this bitch, stacking cheese up, double money phones in the pit, by the beachfront, blowing honeycombs, slinging dick, young legend, I done made 100 O's in the sticks. Yo, I'm teed up, throwing funny bones in this bitch, stacking cheese up, got 100 shows on the tip, by the beachfront, cooler than the stones in my wrist, young legend, I done made 100 O's in the sticks. Hit the museum just to peep my ancestors' artifacts. Stay away from salty niggas, that'll clog your cardiac. Plotting on the paper, I ain't asking where the party at. Tight to finish first and it don't matter where you start me at. $1 million motives, I'm the freshest of the slum dogs. Vapor from the paper with the purple make my lung fog. I don't need acknowledgement, I need 100 milli ho. That's the ego talking, he ain't fucking with me really though. Flexing on the favorite, I'm favored to be the peak height. Energy on entity, when you see me just speak right. Shorty say she love the way I'm styling on them, I could dig it. Send me that attachment, I attack it if you rockin' with it. Brand new Hirachi, color broccoli, getting sand in it. Finish my hibachi, pick a tourist spot, then land in it. Interior dope, send it, formulating quotes. Send it, niggas see me riding, they be acting like the Pope. Hey yo, I'm teed up, throwing funny bones in this bitch, stacking cheese up, double money phones in the pit, by the beachfront, blowing honeycombs, slinging dick, young legend, I done made 100 O's in the sticks. Yo, I'm teed up, throwing funny bones in this bitch, stacking cheese up, got 100 shows on the tip, by the beachfront, cooler than the stones in my wrist, young legend, I done made 100 O's in the sticks. These label niggas couldn't last a day where we sprout from. That's why we never see them, they afraid of the outcome. I don't need connections, bitch, I made it far without none. This the side of town, you gotta watch the way your mouth run. Been the greatest in my city, truly, that's without a doubt. 30,000 feet above, how could I be down and out? Read about me, sound it out, fuck I got to frown about. Gave my bitch a couple rounds, she know I'm down to pound it out. Wholesale the property probably by the weekend. Swimming with piranhas, I gotta be from the deep end. Shorty drinking semen while I'm streaming that Chappelle show. Sticking to the classics like Adidas with the shell toe. I ain't no pretender, I'm a bender like a elbow. Probably cut forever, stuck together like we Velcro. Strawberry margarita, hard to beat a flies. Nigga, never split your pie with people who ain't down to die with. Hey yo, I'm teed up, throwing funny bones in this bitch. Stacking cheese up, double money phones in the pit. By the beachfront, blowing honeycomb, slinging dick. Young legend, I done made 100 O's in the sticks. Yo, I'm teed up, throwing funny bones in this bitch. Stacking cheese up, got 100 shows on the tip. By the beachfront, cooler than the stones in my wrist. Young legend, I done made 100 O's in the sticks.
Okay, it's 7:30 in the morning. I just woke up. This is the current situation. I'm going to put in a load of laundry. I think I'm just gonna bring the silver heels. Honestly, none of the outfits really were doing it with the gold ones. I've just laid everything out to kind of see if I can match my tops with all the items, like how many tops I would wear with each bottom. This tank top I could wear with these shorts, these pants. This is an emergency black tank top that I could literally wear with every single item here. This is a going out top, well, or in the day with these shorts, but this is a nighttime outfit right here. This tank top is perfect with these shorts and with these capris. This t-shirt would literally go with everything here, but the main outfit is with the skirt with the belt. This top is a really cute day outfit with the Karl Kani shorts. This is also going with everything. I think the main outfit I liked it with was the capris, and then just with the heels and my green bag. This Brazil t-shirt is just like a comfy tee to have. Like, not me disregarding the skirt, so I'm like, why am I bringing it in? But honestly, this would be cute with that. These, even the skirt for the day. And then I was thinking of just bringing this black t-shirt from Parade that I've literally never worn, but for some reason I kind of liked it with the white pants and my platform belt. I have to remember this is like the first time I'm wearing any summer clothes, so like I don't have the wardrobe that I want like down to a T, you know? I feel like I do need to bring some sort of sweater, so I was gonna bring this DKNY. It's perfect. The color is amazing. It goes with everything. And then as for a comfortable sweater, I think I'm gonna do my TNA crew neck because again, this will go with everything. I love the fit of it. I might need a jacket. So I think I'll do this one. Bathing suit wise, I'm planning on bringing 5, which is a little bit insane. My new green one has to come, okay? This red one that I thrifted quite recently. And then I've yet to wear this Union Jack one, this peachy den one, and then a classic black one that's just really comfortable. I was gonna make iced coffee, but I keep changing my mind at the very last second. I'm like, no, I'm gonna have hot coffee. Coffee caramel macchiato creamer. I'm about to pack up 2 items to ship off on Depop. These Chewy sweatpants, which I'm sure you guys have seen. They finally sold. Sad day, but I'm so happy for the girl. They got them because they're so fucking cute. And then this little schoolgirl, I think it literally is a schoolgirl like uniform skirt. That was the best massage I've ever had. I packed my suitcase, which I kind of showed you in the morning. I've shipped off my Depop packages. I've gotten a massage. I've bought a new face moisturizer, some B12 vitamins. I've just been like running errands. I actually just spent some time editing my Come Thrift With Me so that I could film the voiceover. I have my DSLR right here with the microphone. I rapid fire filmed that voiceover because I really want to be able to edit it on the flight tomorrow morning at 4 in the morning. My airport outfit is like many items. A jacket, a crew neck, 2 tank tops, and a pair of sweatpants so that I can bring these. I'm hoping I can go to bed kind of early tonight because I have to be up tomorrow at 4:15. That's the other thing. My flight's at 8 a.m. to be at the airport at 5:30. Good morning. Air Canada.
All for me.
Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Make sure to click the link in my description and use my code AmandaSimmons20 to shop all of their jewelry and pick up some pieces for yourself.